What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with crashes in Stalker 2 during the shader compilation process, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions that will help you get back into the game. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Let's get started. Solution 1. Delete shader cache. One common fix is clearing out the shader cache. Here's how to do it. Locate the shader cache in the game's directory or through the settings menu. Delete the existing shader cache files. Relaunch the game to allow it to recompile the shaders. Clearing out corrupted cache files often resolves this issue, so give this a try first. Solution 2. Update GPU drivers. Outdated drivers can cause crashes during shader compilation. Visit the official website for your GPU, NVIDIA or AMD. Download and install the latest drivers tailored for Stalker 2. Restart your PC and try running the game again. This ensures your system is optimized for the latest game updates. Solution 3. Lower graphics settings. High-end graphics settings can put unnecessary strain on your system. Open the game settings. Lower the resolution. Turn off advanced features like ray tracing or anti-aliasing. This reduces the load on your GPU and can prevent crashes. Solution 4. Disable overclocking. Overclocking can lead to instability, especially during demanding processes like shader compilation. Reset your GPU and CPU to their default clock speeds through your overclocking software or BIOS settings. Save the changes and relaunch the game. Stability is key here, so removing overclocking can make a big difference. Solution 5. Verify game files. Corrupted files can often cause crashes. To verify the integrity of your game files, open Steam or your game launcher. Go to your library, then select Stalker 2. Choose Verify Game Files to scan for any issues. This will replace missing or damaged files automatically. Solution 6. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Missing or outdated dependencies can interfere with the game. Download and install the latest versions of DirectX 12 and Visual C++ from Microsoft's website. Restart your system to apply the updates. This ensures the game has the support files it needs. Solution 7. Underclock GPU, if necessary. For users with high-end GPUs, undervolting or reducing GPU clock speed can stabilize performance. Open your GPU management software, e.g., MSI Afterburner. Reduce the core clock speed slightly. Apply the changes and test the game. Some players have found this prevents power spikes that cause crashes. Solution 8. Reinstall the game. If none of the above works, reinstalling the game is your last resort. Uninstall the game through your launcher. Re-download and install it fresh. This can fix any deep-seated file issues. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the shader compilation crash in Stalker 2 for you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!